Good evening friends. In this video lecture, I will discuss about the 11 most important MCQs based on the algae. So this is the second part, and in this lecture we will talk about the very important for NEET as well as other competitive exam purposes. Look it again here. A classification for flowering plants was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. Option number A, natural classification, artificial classification, phylogenetic classification, phonetic classification. So answer should be here natural classification, which was proposed by the George Bentham Hooker and Joseph Dalton. George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. Second question. At present classification system based on the evolutionary relationship between the various organisms are acceptable. Option number A, natural classification, B, artificial classification, C, phylogenetic classification, third is the numerical taxonomy. So here answer should be phylogenetic classification, which was based on evolutionary relationship, and this was proposed by the scientist Hutchinson. Hutchinson proposed this type of classification. Question number third. Chlorophyceae, wait one. Chlorophyceae are usually found in color due to dominance of pigment chlorophyll A and B. The color of this pigment is the dark green, grass green, light green, pale green. Answer here will be the grass green color. Answer should be here grass green color. This is the purely NCERT based question, not out of NCERT. Question number 4. How many number of algae is belonging with the Chlorophyceae? Example: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Chara, Fucus and Gelidium. So here asking how many number of the algae belonging from the Chlorophyceae. Option number A 5, option number B 6, option number C 4, option number D all of the above. So here answer will be the 5. 5 means Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra and Chara. So these 5 are considered as a belonging from Chlorophyceae. This belonging from the Chlorophyceae member or Chlorophyceae class. This is also known as the green algae. For this simple trick here they have given Usain Bolt car is very smooth and classy. Usain Bolt car is very smooth and classy. Usain means Ulothrix, Bolt car means Chara, smooth means Spirogyra, classy means Chlamydomonas. So all these examples have given for the Chlorophyceae class in algae. Question number 5. Here pyrenoid located in the chloroplast and it contains protein besides starch, starch besides protein, lipids besides protein, lipids besides starch. So here answer will be the protein besides starch. So here answer number 1, protein besides starch. It means you can say inside the protein covered by the starch. Okay, so inside the protein covered by the starch still. So this is called the pyrenoid. Question number 6. Major function of pyrenoid is secretion of various substances. Option B, storage of food. Option C, digestion of waste product. Absorption of light pigment. So here answer number 6 should be B. Answer should be B. So question number 6 and here answer should be B, storage of food. This is the correct answer. Question number 7. Look at here what they have given about the question number 7. In which class of alga few members have the pyrenoids, which we already discussed in last slide. Phaeophyce, that is brown algae, and Phaeophyce, this is the another name. This Phaeophyce have another name is the brown algae. And Chlorophyce and Rhodophyce, this is the red algae and this is the green algae. So I told already. So Chlorophyce here should be correct answer, because Chlorophyce also known as the green algae, where the pyrenoid is special type of structure found in the green algae. Next is the shape of chloroplast and organism. So here they have given this is the shape of chloroplast and here organism. So find out which will be the correct. So reticulate shape, Chlamydomonas volvox; cup shape, Oidogonium; girdle shapes, Ulothrix; spiral shape, Spirogyra. So what will be the correct answer? According to question, you have to find it which will be the correct one. So option number A, they have given A1, B1. You have to match firstly, before then you can find your exact answer. So if the red first cup shape Chlamydomonas have the cup shape chloroplast, reticulate found in the Oidogonium, girdle shape found in the Ulothrix, spiral shape Spirogyra. According to this, so answer should be A2, that is A2, and then cup shaped B1, A2, B1, C3 means this is C3, and D4. So answer should be B. So according to it, so answer should be the B. Answer question number 8, answer should be the B. Okay. Next question, question number 9. A thallus of volvox is called as Cenocetic, option B Cenobium, option C Colonial, option D Filament. So answer should be here. Ninth answer, this is the B. So ninth answer will be the B, Cenobium. Question number 10. Fucoxanthin is the chief pigment found in Cytonema, volvox, Ectocarpus and Chara. So answer here should be the Ectocarpus. That is the Ectocarpus. It is belongs from the brown algae, Phaeophyce. So Ectocarpus is the correct answer for 10th D. Question number last, 11th. Which one of the following is an algae? Iris moss, apple moss, club moss, reindeer moss. Reindeer moss is the lichen, and here iris moss is the algae. It is actual algae. So this is the overall 11 at most important MCQs which already asked in NEET exam, and this will be help for all other competitive exams. So thank you.